Welcome back to Earning with Bits, everyone. We'll be playing an NFT game today called Rare Crows. Rare Crows is one of SunFlower Land's expansion games on Telegram. It's still in its early stages, so you can earn some rare NFTs before they get added to the game. If you never played SunFlower Land before, I'll explain how to play in another video. Get started by signing up with my Telegram link below. When you start, you won't have all the crows. You have to buy the beta box. Get the beta box by planting golden crops and getting the coupons. You can also purchase upgrades as well. When you click on your magnifying glass on the top right, it will bring you to your inventory. Here you can see your crow collection. As you can see, my crow collection is growing. When you click on the globe on your top left, it will bring you to your main crow farm. This is where all your crows are displayed. When you tap on them, they drop coins. Okay, let's head back to the field. Tap on each plot to set a crop. The more you plant, the more likely you are to get a golden or mutant crop. One trick is to tap on a crop spot until it sparkles. The sparkles means it's going to be a mutant or golden. If you use my strategy, you either wait until you have enough money to buy 16 golden crop chests, or you can click around the crop after it sparkles. I saved up enough money to buy 16 golden plots, so now I'm going to buy the golden crop chest. It's the last choice in your crop tab. Once I tap out all the golden crops, I can use the coupons I earned to buy the crows. If you wait to click the mutant crops, you can fill up your field with sparklers without buying the chest. So you basically avoid tapping the plot once it sparkles. As soon as the field is full of mutants, you tap them all at once. That's it. You just grow crops, then use the coins to buy scarecrows. Eventually, you will be able to sell your crows on the Ton network or use them in the SunFlower game. Thank you for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Please like and subscribe.